Oasis Resort in Los Baños, Laguna, and we were swimming when we were approached by
Hello,
Alan here
and Gab.
and Gab.
Hello.
And they said we look familiar and they know us from our videos. Imagine that. Sikat na pala kami. Ayan, so they have seen our van videos and it's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
From Parañaque.
And we just made a new video today.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Thank you.
We'll be in the video.
You'll be in the video.
Thanks.
Okay.
For the entrance fee, we've paid 180 for adults and 150 for Miriam because she's a student. Children below 4 feet are free, and we rented a table for 500 pesos.
The big slide is broken and off limits.
At first, we were disappointed because the big slide pools in the lazy river were closed during the rainy season. But the hot spring water was so relaxing that we soon forgot about our disappointment. Splash Mountain actually has a much older facility at the front where the entrance fee is only 90 pesos. But we were told that there only one adult pool and 2 kiddie pools are open during this rainy season. Though we paid for night swimming, we didn't stay for the whole night. We just wanted to relax in the hot spring after a day camp on Mount Makiling, where we shot our latest van tour video.
Actually, I was the one who insisted of going swimming, and Nana and Tatay are happy that I did.
2 other newly cleaned pools were being filled, and we took advantage of steaming hot cascading water.
We look forward to coming back here during the summer so we can also experience the other exciting parts of the resort.
And because there was an event at the adjacent hotel, Splash Suites, we were treated to an extraordinary display of fireworks that night. What a grand way to end our evening!
Thanks for watching!
Don't forget to subscribe!
Sending love from the Philippines!